Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys have been keeping up with the channel, you guys already know that we're about to turbo the white Mitsubishi Eclipse. That is my daily driver, so I have been driving this car a little more. I had to pretty much take it out from hibernation and drive it a little more. Just to make content for you guys. Again, I wanted to make a video today. Honestly, I just felt like driving the car. It does have a minor issue where the speed sensor actually ended up breaking. I wasn't getting speed readings. I wasn't getting gear selector readings. And the car was cutting off under boost around 5,600 RPM, which makes sense because when the speed sensor is not working, you don't get any of those. And the car was basically hitting anti-lag within the RPM range and wasn't letting me basically go to redline. So it was causing a bunch of issues. I wasn't sure what it was, but I ended up finding out that the speed sensor was actually cut in half. Today we're going to be visiting Aaron over at Mace Performance. He's actually a really old friend of mine. He's the one that built the wiring harness for the Evo swapped Eclipse. So he actually handmade it with an Evo and Eclipse 420 harness and mixed it all together to make it work for this car. So we're actually gonna go visit him. He does have an extra speed sensor laying around, so we should be able to fix the car today. So I don't know if you guys can see, the gear selector is gonna stay on N. My speed is not gonna work, and it's gonna cut off under boost. So I'm gonna try to keep it out of boost for now. Evos for days. And he's right here. I know that's Aaron's. It's been a minute since I've seen this car. Evo, Lancer, GTR right up there. I'm gonna go say what's up. Oh damn. We got another black R33 over here. We do have the DSM. We're basically going to be replacing the speed sensor. I don't know if you guys can see the speed sensor below the shifter linkages down there. That thing basically broke in half due to having a custom rear motor mount for the swap. The lower bolt is protruding into that area, which then caused that thing to break while driving, while everything was pretty much moving around. So I'll go ahead and put you guys on the GoPro, start taking everything apart to have access to the sensor, take it out, replace it. speed sensor has been replaced. At this point, we're ready to take it out on a test drive. Second, third, okay. Okay. Fourth. Yep, I think we're good, guys. Look at that, fourth. The car seems to be working now. I could actually finally hit boost, which is such a great feeling. I honestly miss this car and just miss pushing like that. Honestly, 440 wheel horsepower is enough for a street car. I honestly love this car. Huge shout out to Mace Performance. Again, they're out here in Ontario, California. He's a good friend of mine. If you guys want to go check out the shop, tell him you guys know me, whatever, and I'm sure he'll hook you up with your Evo DSMs, whatever it is. He's really, really good. I've known him for years. So at this point, let's head out to the canyon, drive this thing in some corners, hit some boost, and have some fun. Oh yeah, it's back. This is actually the first time I'm taking the Eclipse out to Azusa Canyon. I've taken the Evo a bunch of times, and it's honestly such a great car for that. This car is a little lower, and it does run a little hotter, so I am a little concerned about the temperatures. We're currently running 180 Fahrenheit for temps, which is, I guess it's decent. If we start getting up like above like 210 or so, I might just pull over and BMW me and just let it cool down for a bit, because this car does run super hot. I mean, it's a motor that's not supposed to be in this car. That car already runs super hot, and Evos come vented with a vented hood because of that, you know. So I do recommend that if you're boosted, or that if you have a swap, or you have even a 428 turbo, you run a vented hood, because these do like to run super hot and they overheat. So we're almost there. You guys can notice the infamous palm trees. I'm honestly super nervous, but if the car does great, I'm honestly thinking of throwing like a SoCal like DSM Canyon Cruise or Beach Me. Like, let me know what you guys think, and we'll go on from there. I'll set something up on my Instagram or something. So bruh, this car's so good. It's running really good on temps. It handles decently besides some minor rubbing. And the engine, it has a lot of power on the low end, so it's very torquey, and I have no issue going up the mountain. It spools almost instantly. And I do have some news. I know you guys saw those stickers, those hoodies, and those shirts. If you do know or do not know, I do have this merch line that I did from scratch. It's called a Race Legacy. It's built upon building something cool, driving it, and inspiring others to build something cool and unique to their sense of style. Evo stickers, DSM stickers. These are new. No one has them just yet. I will be releasing them as soon as this video's out. Check the video description and I'll have the website, everything set up. This is my first time actually doing everything myself. I did have a couple things up before, like a sticker and a hoodie and a shirt, but other people did it for me. And this is actually going to be the first time that I'm actually going to fulfill all the orders myself. I do want to take pride in what I do, so I did go ahead and get super good quality hoodies, shirts, stickers, everything done. I do believe that your brand represents you as a person. So, but in all honesty, do not feel forced to buy anything. I am not doing this for the money. I am doing it simply to push a brand. I really want to learn how to grow a brand from scratch and do something pretty cool with it. So that's the whole reason why I'm doing it. And if you can't, or you simply can't right now, it's okay too. Honestly, I just want you guys to enjoy the videos. Anything above that is already an extra for me. So do me a favor, at least go on Instagram and follow my brand, Race Legacy. I'm just starting it. It's my first time doing all this, and I'm super excited because I really want to know where it goes. I'm super excited for the channel because you guys are always supportive and I enjoy that type of vibe with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and end the video now. I hope you guys truly enjoyed it. Make sure you like, you comment. I do like to talk to you guys. If you guys don't notice in the comment section, I'm always trying to respond, especially first day. And subscribe if you haven't. A lot of you guys are actually watching the videos, but you're not subscribed. So hit that subscribe button below. But go ahead and enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one.